Welcome on our channel QHSE Akbar Jilani. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel. If you are our existing subscriber, please watch the video from start up to the end. Today in this video, we will discuss about the roles and responsibilities of an HSE or safety engineer in a simple and easy way. Whether you work in construction, oil and gas, manufacturing or any industry, these duties are essential for maintaining a safe workplace. These are the key roles and responsibilities that if you are working in any type of industry like oil, gas, manufacturing or any industry, you will have the same rules and responsibilities. In some companies, the risk is high. In some companies, the risk is moderate. In some companies, lower risk activities are there. But for the continued improvement, your roles and responsibilities will based on the above important points that we are discussing. Number first, hazard identification and risk assessment, HIRA. Hazard identification and risk assessment, HIRA. Now identify existing and potential hazard in the workplace. Conduct risk assessment, job safety analysis, JSA, and task-specific assessment. Recommend control using the hierarchy of control. Development of safety policies and procedures. So the first is the HIRA. Second is the development of safety policies and procedures. Prepare, update, and implement safety procedures, SOPs, and safe work instructions. Ensure alignment with local regulation and international standards, OSHA, NAFA, ISO 45001. Compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. In each and every state, there are legal and regulatory requirements. So make sure that you are complying with the management system. First, identify the legal and regulatory requirements, and after this, what are the terms and conditions the engineer have to comply. Safety training and awareness. Conduct safety induction for new employees, training on hazard, emergency response, fire safety, PPE, working at height, confined space. It depends on the base of the organization activities. Promote safety culture through toolbox talks and awareness campaigns. Like in some organization, the toolbox talks play a very important role where there is dynamic risk and the tasks are changed from one activity to another activity. Means the risk is dynamic. Over there, the toolbox talks or TBT plays a key role. Incident and accident investigation. Respond to workplace incident, near misses and dangerous occurrences. Lead or support incident investigation team. Prepare report with root cause analysis, RCA, and corrective action plans. Monitoring and inspections. Conduct regular workplace inspections, safety walks, and audits. Monitor contractor activities and ensure compliance with PTW permit to work system. Ensure machinery, tools, and equipment are safe. Emergency preparedness. Develop and maintain emergency response plans. Organize emergency drills, fire evacuation, spill, medical. It depends on the organization. What are their scenarios? Depends on the organization. The HSE engineer will have to conduct the drills. Coordinate with external emergency agencies if required. Safety performance and reporting. Monitor KPI indicator, LTIFR, TRIR, near misses reporting, audits scores. Maintain safety documentation and records. Prepare weekly, monthly HSE report for management. This LTIFR and TRIR, you will if you are interested on this, we have for the incidents investigation one video. Just only go through this video, so the concept will be clear. PPE management. Select suitable PPE based on hazard in assessment. Ensure proper use, maintenance, and replacement of PPE. Train worker on correct PPE usage. Contractor Management, review contractor safety plans and conduct free qualification checks, ensure contractors follow VTW safety rules and project-specific safety requirements, conduct joint inspection with contractor safety teams. Design and design review in engineering control. Participate in design risk review. Hazob Hazid recommend engineering solutions to eliminate hazards, improve installation of safety systems like fire protection, guarding, ventilation, and alarms. Promoting safety culture, promote a proactive safety culture, encourage hazard reporting and stop work authority, engage worker through campaign and incentives. If you have any comments, please write your comments in the comment section and we will reply to your comments. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye bye.